Hey guys, how you doing? Just reporting some earthquakes here. There was two separate earthquakes that hit Ventura County, and this is a new one because I don't think they ever had a earthquake down in Ventura. So Ventura County, for those who don't know, is actually in Santa Barbara or a little bit below Santa Barbara in Oxnard. So that's in California. So there was two separate earthquakes that happened not too long ago. One was a 4.3, and then there was another one that was a 4.4. I'm sorry, 3.4, 3.3 magnitude, and this is in Ventura, California. Ventura, California, at 8.4 miles northwest of Oxnard. 10 miles from Port Hamley. So this is a new one that I believe an earthquake was there. Hasn't been an earthquake there for a long time, I believe. So this is something new. So something's going on. So just to let you know, and we'll keep you posted regarding more stories regarding this and more information on that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.